According to authorities, a large fire started at the fishing harbour in Visakhapatnam on the evenings of Sunday and Monday. According to police, about 40 fiber mechanized boats were reduced to ashes. No casualties or injuries were reported. Locals alerted the firefighters, who arrived on the scene quickly to put out the fire. According to the official, the fire began with a single boat and swiftly spread to other nearby vessels. Fishermen in the area believe there may have been foul play and claim that unidentified people may have deliberately set the boats on fire.